name is Joaquin and I'm here to help you learn about sequences. What are sequences? Okay. Sequences are ordered list of elements represented by the letter S. Alright? So it is a function for a subset N. Alright? So we have example S N. We can represent it as that, or A raised to N. Alright? So we can say Sn is equal to 2n. So this is a very simple topic. So let's say we have this Sn equals 2n, right? So we have 1 Sn equals 2n. So we have 2 1. Okay, so 2 times 1, so we have 2 times 1, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8. So the list goes on and on. So usually we start with number 1 as an n, then we go upwards. So that's like a natural number, positive natural number, and it will go from start from 1, then the rest is history. Okay, so 1 upwards. So we have another example here. For example 2, we have 5n. So again, the n usually starts with 1, right? So I'm sorry, it's Sn, not 5n. So we have 2n plus 1. Okay, so this is like the problem that you're supposed to solve. Keep in mind that n starts again with 1. So let's write a set. So 2 times 1, right? Since it starts with the 1, it's equal to 2 plus 1, so 3. So I have a trick here for you. Since we know the next one will be 2, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. So that is like 5, right? You notice that there's a pattern. Let's try again. 2 times 3, the next one's 3, right? 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So you notice that it's like separated by 2 numbers, like 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Or rather, these are rather odd numbers. So it's easier for you to do like 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, I'm sorry, 11, 13. So the list goes on and on. So it's pretty much easier once you get the pattern. So let's try a different one, a much more complex one. Say Sn is equal to n raised to squared minus 1. Oh no, rather plus 1 or plus make it much harder, 3 plus 3. Okay, so we have again n usually starts with 1, so you can have 1 times 2. So 1 times, oh sorry, 1 raised to 2 rather is 1 times 1 because the 1 still plus 3, so 4. Remember, keep in mind the next patterns you should make. So we have next one, keep in mind the pattern again. So we have 1, then we go to 2, right, the next number. So again, from 1 upwards, that's how it goes usually. So 4, then the first one is 4, the next one is 2. We used 1 already, then 2 next. So 2 raised to 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, noticing a pattern now. Let's try the third one to make sure that we have a pattern. Then we can answer the rest. 3. 3 raised to 2 is 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 3, 1, 2, 3 is 12. Am I right? Yeah, 12. So notice that 4 and 7 have 3 in between. Like 5 and 6 and 7, right? 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 and 12, 12 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. So let's guess, or I'm assuming, okay, but I'm sure of it, that the next one will have a gap of 7. So let's say 19. Okay, now let's see if I'm correct. We have 4, right? The next one. So 4 is to 4, 16 plus 3, 19, right? So let's try another one to make sure that my technique is correct. 3, 5, 7, 9. So next one says that we have a gap of 9. So 19 plus 9 equals to 28. Am I correct? So next one is 5 here. So 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3, 28. See? See, that's how you do it. Just make sure you know the pattern. Do at least 3 so that it'll be much easier for you, okay? So this is sequences, and I've shown you the easy way to do it. And I hope you enjoy it. And I hope that you learn. Alright, good night.